Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Just scare me.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Harmony around 4:15 a.m. Preston around 4:20 a.m. Lanesboro around 4:35 a.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Henrytown, Choice, Old Barn Campground, Easoners, Hutton, Greenlee Afton, and Peterson.
Oh, God.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 a.m. for the following county: Fillmore, Minnesota. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK.
That was unexpected.
Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin listening area.
Oh my God! Good afternoon, Aaron.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 371, effective until 10 p.m.
Oh no.
This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Fillmore, Houston, and Winona. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
ARX.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television
Why
outlets,
don't you go on?
or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Well, explain.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK 41.
God, ARX, you scared the daylights out of me. I apologize if a lot of the radios did remain silent.
And now we'll look at your forecast for Rochester.
A lot of the radios remain silent during this. I want to see what this is for. MPX's area is. I mean, okay. I don't know what this is for, but okay. Here we go. go.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grant County in southwestern Wisconsin, southeastern Crawford County in southwestern Wisconsin until 4:30 p.m. At 3:44 p.m. The thunderstorm was located near 11 miles east of Berry, Michigan, northeast of 50 miles per hour. Expected to 60 miles per hour with quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Montebello around 4:05. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Waudeca, Highway 51 in County King, Willie, Hoodtown, Harris Ridge, Highway 60 and 61 in County Road 10. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southwestern Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Crawford, and Grant.
Oh my God. This is for the moderate of it. Can we do the business? Okay. Oh, fuck you. Jesus.
The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Towron around 4:05 p.m.
Oh my.
Around 4:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe
I'm surprised it's turning a lot of the shit to Wisconsin counties.
in 21 with Hempstead Wildlife Refuge, Oakdale, Kepler, South Junction, and Hillcrest State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 94 between mile markers 140 and 147. Interstate 90/94 between mile markers 46 and 58. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 37 and 45. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and west central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Adams, Juneau, and Monroe.
TOR. I'll look at us again.
Northwestern Adams County and central Wisconsin, eastern Monroe County and west central Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Towron.
KG295 is doing a lot of this already.
Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar indicated.
Let's see. Oh dear God.
Hi.
Never mind.
For Wisconsin. For the south. This includes the following highway. Interstate 94 between mile markers 140 and 147.
I'm not going to be alerted this isn't going to go here.
Slash 94 between mile markers 46 and 58. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin.
Oh no. Yep. This time I was ready. Fuck.
45 p.m. In 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lombard, or 17 miles east of Northwest, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size.
Cocky storms.
This is a radar indicator of threat. The following events are
Yeah, this is cocky. Right?
dangerous to those caught without shelter. Local homes will be damaged or destroyed.
A cocky moderate. Yeah, that's an idea.
Vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The dangerous storm will be near Hillsborough around 4:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado thunderstorm include Trisville,
No, that's not.
Highway 82 in County, Valley, Dilly, and White City. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.